we'll guide you through how to make cloud brush in Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because creating custom cloud brushes in Photopea helps improve photo editing projects with realistic sky and weather effects. Start by accessing the Photopea website through your favorite browser on a laptop, computer, or smartphone. First, hover your cursor over the Google Chrome shortcut icon on your device. Open the browser by double-clicking the shortcut icon and wait a few moments for Google Chrome to open properly. Once the browser is ready, move your mouse to the search box and click inside it. When the typing cursor appears, type Photopea into the search field and press Enter to begin the search process. After the search results appear, select 𝗟𝗪𝗞𝗘 from the top of the list. You will then be directed to the Photopea homepage where the editing tools are available. On the homepage, click the Open from Computer option to begin importing your file. Before continuing, make sure you have already downloaded the cloud image that you want to use as a reference. Browse through your folders, locate the saved cloud image, click on it, and open the file in Photopea. Once the editing workspace and image page appear, press Ctrl and 0 together on your keyboard to highlight the canvas properly. Next, duplicate your cloud image layer before making any changes. Look at the bottom section of the layer panel and find the black and white adjustment option in the Adjustment Layer menu. Click the option to add the effect to your image. Lower the cyan and blue values to change the sky background into black, and follow the suggested settings or adjust them according to your reference image. Return to the Adjustment Layer options and select the Brightness and Contrast adjustment. Increase the brightness slightly, then right-click the layer and choose Flatten Image. After that, click the layer thumbnail, press Ctrl and I to invert the layer. Open the Edit menu, choose Define New, and finally select Brush. You have now created a cloud brush in Photopea and can apply it to photos for editing practice. Experiment with different cloud images, brightness levels, and adjustment settings to create unique custom brushes that match your editing style, helping you produce more sky effects and improve your editing experience.